Good morning, Hollywood Hill. How are you? So I worked on our website yesterday, and I reorganized it a little bit. So if you go to our distance learning website, it looks like this. It reminds you to stop and check in every day by noon. My daily announcements, this right here, you can link to it right there. And then all of the Google Classrooms are linked right here. When I can, I'm putting the results to our attendance poll down here. Some of the links aren't working, so I'm going to fix that this morning. If you need more resources in the North Shore Learns website, you can go right there. And if you have any feedback about how we're doing with online learning, you can fill it in right there. So today's Thursday, and that means some small group and one-on-one check-ins with your teacher. And then tomorrow, third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade will have a live Zoom with their grade levels, and everybody will get some writing lessons. The week after that is spring break, and so we won't have daily check-in. We won't have daily announcements. We'll have spring break. But I am going to put on the website, well, it's already here actually. If you go to general resources, there's a lot of really good things for you to do even when we don't have school. So what's really neat about the Google Classrooms is that your teachers have put assignments on there that will even get you through spring break. So if you're trying to build a routine and you have work you need to do each day, you just go to your Google Classroom, you do it, you still turn it in, and your teachers will look at it after spring break. And if you need more to do, there's a lot of good resources here. Two things I want to show you today. The virtual field trips. So you can go here and you can go on different field trips at different museums and things in the country. And in the parent resources, I also put a lot of really good stuff, but this was the one I was really excited about. It's called Lego Let's Build Together. And when you go there, there's some Lego challenges each day and things that you can be doing from home. So those are things that you can use even when we're not in school next week. But we are today. I hope you have great meetings with your teachers. Looking forward to hearing how writing goes tomorrow. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day. I forgot to say one thing. Remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible because you make Hollywood Hill and your home a great place to be.